Hello girls, let us move on to the next topic in the cone, wherein I'm going to talk about the tangent plane to the cone at the point of contact alpha, beta, gamma. So what do you mean by a tangent plane to the cone, girls? At any cone, if my plane is touching the cone at one single point, then that particular plane is known as what? Tangent plane. I'm repeating once again. Whenever the plane is touching the cone at one single point is known as the tangent plane. And the point where it is touching is known as what? Point of contact. So whenever I have a cone given to me and pointer given to me, how would be the equation of a tangent plane? So he's telling that the tangent plane to the cone ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy at the point alpha, beta, gamma is x into a alpha plus h beta plus g gamma plus y into b beta plus h gamma plus f h alpha plus f gamma plus z into c gamma plus g alpha plus f beta equals to 0. And then the same thing, what is the tangent plane to the cone at dr's lmn? So in the previous problem we had the point of, so in the previous point we had the point of contact as alpha, beta, gamma. Instead of point of contact we have dr's. So the equation is going to be the same. Wherever you have alpha, beta, gamma, you're going to replace it with L, M and N. So alpha is replaced with L, beta is replaced with M, gamma is replaced with N. So this x into AL plus HM plus GN plus Y into BM plus HL plus FN plus Z into CN plus GL plus FM equals to 0. This is the equation of the tangent plane. But how will you remember this? So I'm going to talk about this, and then we're going to replace alpha, beta, gamma with LMN, and we'll see this equation. So what is the equation of a tangent plane? So remember that, girls, we have few important things to remember. Is we have a point of contact as alpha, beta, gamma, and the new terms in your cone is F, G, H, and then you keep it A and ABC on the top. And how will you remember this, girls? Because the plane is always in the form of, girls, this is the plane AX plus BY plus CZ. It's an equation of the plane, so remember that you have a multiple of X, multiple of Y, multiple of Z. So X, and then you have ABC, so I'm going to keep my ABC on the top. So see, what I'm doing is that I'm going to write down as A alpha, first multiplied A alpha, and then take the cofactors of this. What is it? H beta, but you're going to keep plus in between, H beta plus G gamma, H beta plus G gamma. Then with respective Y. So as soon as Y comes, B beta, A alpha, B beta. Start taking cofactors of this particular term. So what is it? Hide the B1 and take the cofactors of this, H alpha, F gamma. Then as soon as Z come, C gamma. Then cofactors, G alpha plus F beta. G alpha plus F beta equals to 0. See, X, A alpha plus H beta plus G gamma plus Y, B beta plus H alpha plus F gamma plus Z, C gamma plus G alpha plus F beta equals to 0. This is the equation of a tangent plane. So this is when you have a point of contact alpha, beta, gamma given to you, and the cone is given to you in this particular form, ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy equals to 0. What about if dr's is given to me lmn? It would be the same thing, girls, if you're able to remember this, well and good. And then in the place of alpha, beta, gamma, just replace with lmn. So x into al. So replace alpha with L, beta with M, gamma with N. So A alpha plus HM plus GN plus Y into BM plus HL plus FN plus Z into CN plus GL plus FN equals to 0.